Good job.
See?
You do it again?
Wait, I think I can go under this.
Okay. Do it again.
No beach ball.
Oh, almost.
No beach ball.
Try it again.
No beach ball. Oh. Hey, I'm freezing.
Okay.
Yeah, beach ball.
Oh, wow, Bradley. You're so good at that.
I learned it.
You learned it?
Yep.
At Mommy's house?
Yeah.
Do you love swimming?
Yep. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Good job, babe.